Welcome to Droppy, your go-to source for real, high-potential crypto airdrops and earning opportunities in Web3. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay ahead of the latest ways to earn crypto effortlessly. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at WizoLayer, an exciting new Layer 2 mining platform built on the Base blockchain. WizoLayer lets users earn Wizo tokens simply by mining directly in their browser, completing easy tasks, and referring friends, no special hardware required. Why WizoLayer is gaining serious momentum. They've already raised $6 million in early funding, backed by the SafeWall Foundation, a strong supporter in the crypto space. They've formed a strategic partnership with Bitgert, a well-known blockchain project, adding credibility and expanding their reach. Built on the Base blockchain, WizoLayer benefits from fast, scalable, and low-fee transactions, ideal for community-driven mining and token distribution. New partnerships keep rolling in, including one announced just yesterday, showing ongoing support and growing momentum for the project. How WizoLayer works, step by step. 1. Connect your EVM-compatible wallet on the WizoLayer website. They support all popular wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and more. 2. Start decentralized mining right in your browser. Just hit the Mine button, no expensive rigs or setups needed, and watch your Wizo tokens accumulate in real time. 3. Complete optional social tasks to boost your rewards. Join their Telegram group, follow them on X, formerly Twitter, and engage with their posts to earn extra tokens. 4. Refer friends to the platform and earn a percentage of their mining and task rewards, creating a steady stream of passive income alongside your active earnings. What makes WizoLayer stand out? It's live now, you can start earning tokens immediately. There's no upfront cost, just your time and a compatible wallet. It offers a full Web3 experience combining mining, social engagement, referrals, and live rewards. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it easy for newcomers and experienced crypto users alike. A quick word of caution: WizoLayer is a brand new project, so it's smart to use a dedicated airdrop or test wallet and do your own research before committing significant resources. If you're looking for a simple, fun, and community-driven way to earn tokens, WizoLayer is definitely one to watch. To get started, click the link in the description, connect your wallet, and begin mining Wizo tokens today. And once you're set up, be sure to check out the recommended video at the end to keep building your crypto airdrop portfolio. Thanks for watching Droppy, we'll catch you in the next drop.